The Atlas. A few days ago I was lost in Medina and Marrakesh. Now I'm staring at North Africa's tallest mountain. And the road that took me here ends in a tiny Berber village called Imlil. This is where part 2 begins. I want to understand this place, how life works up here, what the mountains take from you, what they give back. I'm hiking deep into the valley, up to rivers most people never see. And then I'm getting back in the car, because this road trip isn't over. The desert is waiting, and somewhere past it, the coast, surfboards, and a completely different Morocco. Are you ready? Then let's go for it. We arrived to Imlil. Welcome, my friends. First spot, we're so hungry, haven't eaten all day. So first of all, we're gonna get some food over here. Hello, my friend.
Hello, friend.
I'm good, and you? Wow. What a beautiful place. Tomorrow we're going for a hike. But today, yeah, just chill, literally. Laid back over here. Salam alaikum. There's like over here. Salam. Salam. Salam alaikum, how are you? I'm just gonna search some water in this town. Okay, how much for this, my friend?
60 dirham.
60 dirham? Okay. Damn, I only have 200.
Too much.
Okay, then I need to come back. I need to change, you know. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Welcome. Here we are. Dankeschön. Sorry, my friends. Help us. Oh, this quietness after Marrakesh, bro. Okay, brother, let's find a way. Yeah, Berber Family Lodge. That's where we're staying. We're at around 2,000 meters right now. And even walking these couple steps challenged me a little bit more than usual.
Wer ausguckt. Oh, das kannst du im Dunkeln sitzen.
Hier ist doch kein Mensch. Salam alaikum. Nobody's here. Salam alaikum. I want to say anything, but check this view out. I can't believe it, man. The Moroccan hospitality, of course. First of all, you get a tea. Love it.
Just enjoy
Yeah, I'm enjoying
the station.
more than anything else. Just check this room out. Little cute bathroom, right? Nothing too special about it. But the room is just cozy. We got an AC right here. But bro, check this out, guys. That's amazing. It's kind of a crazy experience just walking through that town here. There were like kids following me, and I don't speak Arabic, so it was quite hard to communicate with them. Hello, my friends, how are you? You good? Are you okay? Yeah. Nice. That's how you do the tagine, right?
هاتي صاجتي sur la request. انت راه تستفيد هذه الفيديو.
Okay, my friends, we are going on a hike today. So first of all, gonna get something to eat, some snacks. That's what we need. Und vielleicht noch was zu trinken. Das eigentlich reichen, glaube ich.
Das bezahlt auch eigentlich Sessions.
Ich würde sagen Nuts oder zeig einfach dahin.
Ah ja, hier.
Ist
ja.
da?
How much are this? 250. 150 Kilo. Okay, dann 100 Gramm as well. Vergessen. Eine einzige Wolke am Himmel.
Nee, gar nichts. Alles richtig schön. Noch schöner geht's gerade eigentlich nicht, ne? Ja. Die Bedingungen sind perfekt, ist auch nicht zu warm, nicht zu kalt. Schön.
Oder man kann jetzt da vorne da nach unten und dann Freitag wiederholen.
Hey!
Sieht schon sehr professionell aus.
Ja, übel.
In der Hütte oben, also im Refugee bei 3200 Metern.
Ja, klasse. Und wie lange seid ihr jetzt schon unterwegs heute?
Nicht lange.
Nicht lange, gerade hier.
Ich sag mal so 40 Minuten.
40 Minuten?
Ja, ist
Okay,
schön.
das ist cool.
Ist gut.
Nice, dann viel Spaß euch Jungs.
Ja, ey, ihr auch. Viel Spaß euch noch.
Wir sehen uns.
Wir sehen uns.
Adios. Ciao, ciao. Ich hoffe, dass wir den nicht nochmal hochlaufen müssen. Oh ja, sieht ein bisschen aus wie so Reisterrassen, aber die haben noch niemals genügend Wasser. Um hier Wasser reißt so.
Naja, so das Tauwasser.
Ach, Reis braucht ja schon extrem viel Wasser. Ja, wahrscheinlich wird es irgendwie Kartoffeln oder was sein, was hier vielleicht besser geht. Salam. Salam. Careful film. Bro. This is literally insane, guys. Check this waterfall out. It's coming here to this place. It's indeed something special. Like the way you feel in here is quite cool. It's a nice hike. Like nice people over here. There's even a little restaurant where you can get some food over here. So in general, I can highly recommend it from here. If you need some quietness, some peace, some chill after going to Marrakesh, I can highly recommend you to come to this place. So yeah, check it out.
Take an ice with cobalt.
Oh,
Stone
nice.
is very heavy, very heavy.
Yeah, it is. It is.
This is malachite stones.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
This is mineral stones,
Wow.
Because now here I live in only with tourism democratic price because this is desert stone also.
I know.
It's very heavy because I make it.
I see.
You know in Morocco it's very difficult, not same city.
I understand.
You know how much?
How much for it?
Only $5 for one. $5.
$5 or this is a little bit too much.
Yeah, 50 dirham. 50 dirham.
50 dirham is too much, and I don't really need it. You know what I mean?
Open the door, brother. Open the door because we're selling nothing, inshallah.
I know, brother, but it's okay. I don't need it right now.
You should good luck for
Thank
me,
you.
inshallah. How much?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, brother.
I really don't need it right now.
Okay, brother.
That's it. Thank you. Right.
You're welcome, brother. I wish
Yeah.
you good luck.
Have a good time, my friend.
You have big smile.
Yeah. Thanks, you too, my friend. Keep working. That's good. We kind of ended over here off grid. It's not really a path anymore, but it's even cooler to walk around right here. It's just nothing but nature here.
Hier oben sein.
Echt? Okay.
Also, wenn ich das richtig interpretiere. Das sind die Häuser und die gehen auf der Straße.
Ah ja. Und da dann ist
Ein Gesteinsblock, die da so am Hang liegen.
Ja,
Da müssen sie jemand losrollen.
halt echt, ne? Salam. The route that we basically took, we started over here in Ilmil, got up to the mountain over here. We hiked down this path. After that, we went to the waterfalls, which should be behind the house over here. And then we made our way up here. And now going this way. And the road back to Ilmir. Oh! Sieht so aus, würde eigentlich der Fluss lang laufen, aber ist zu trocken. This is Africa, my friends. Salam.
Hey,
How are you, my friend? I'm good, and you, my friends? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Roberto.
Yeah.
What is your name, my friend?
Okay.
Comment tu t'appelles, mon ami?
Oui, mon ami. Tu as music.
Et combien de temps? Combien de heures?
3 jours. Emily.
Shukran.
Das ist ein normaler Weg.
No way that we even see snow in here. It's crazy. It's kind of interesting what they all have. I think that's meal, farin. Yeah, farin should be meal. Stuff. I love little markets like this one, and especially with that view. Okay, we're almost done with our little trip. We're walking back right now. Gonna take us another 45 minutes, I guess, and then we're gonna eat something and head directly to our next location. Just need to a lake. Gonna to stay there for a night and then directly to the coast. Does anybody know what that is? Okay, we're done with our hike and already on the way to the next spot. I'm so exhausted. I'm so done. But yeah, it's time for a new location. Okay, my friends, we arrived to the next spot. Check this out. So this place where we are is called Urigane. Oh, what a view, especially in the morning. This one hits different. What's up for today? The plan is to drive around 4.5 hours, probably around 5 hours straight to Imsoane. It's a very chill town at the beach. Well, very touristy, but it has the best wave in all Africa, so maybe we're gonna go out for a surf out there. And yeah, I'm just crazy to go to the beach again, because right here it's pretty cold, as you see. I have like 2 jackets on, and yeah, I really enjoy it. But on the other hand, I'm happy to go to the warm again. Just like that, the mountains are behind me. Emily gave me more than I expected. Quiet mornings, hard climbs, people who have a life most of us couldn't imagine. But the road keeps moving, from the peaks of the Atlas down through endless desert, all the way to a small fishing village on the Atlantic coast, Imsoane. Hours of driving, a country slipping past the window, mountains turning into dust, dust turning into ocean, and somewhere out there, the next wave's already waiting. See you in the next one.